If you haven't heard about, tasted, or embraced Sriracha yet, then what in the world are you waiting for? What started as a spicy sauce that was mostly found in Asian cooking is now everywhere. It's actually pronounced Sriracha, but most of us just say Sriracha. So here are the basics. Sriracha can best be described as a cross between ketchup and hot sauce. In the US, it's made from red jalapeno chili peppers and garlic in a factory outside of LA that used to make hula hoops. Today, we find it not only in our markets, but in everything from fast food favorites to all sorts of snack foods. In ounce per ounce, Sriracha sauce is about 20% less than the cost of traditional hot sauce. So with all it has going for it, you can bet we're seeing it in more and more recipes. Recipes like these short ribs that are not only fall apart tender, but the combo of the Sriracha, honey, and the lime makes them irresistible. No, not too hot, but I would say super flavorful and a nice change of pace. The recipe for our Sriracha short ribs is online now and is ready for you to add a little spice to your life, or shall I say to your table. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Sriracha kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.